I'm regretting everything right now. Can't do this anymore. I think I might need to clean my mirror. It looks very dirty. Ooh.
I have nothing to do with
Insane. Sweet. Ooh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the worst decision of my life. This setup is a sign that something bad is gonna happen. Today I want to dye my hair orange. So once upon a time, a teacher back in school asked me what would be the worst color you could ever imagine to have on your head. And I said, orange. And I don't know, I just want to make old school Naomi angry. I want to fuck with her. Now's the time where I basically got all of the blue hair color out of my hair. I mean, it still has like a blue sheen and it's definitely on the cool side. This is actually like my favorite hair color of all time. Like pure white with a hint of cool. That's a weird description of hair color. Excuse my microphone here. I think you can see it. I don't really know because you're very far away, but I think you can. Hello. So let's get started on dyeing my hair orange, shall we? Save me, save me, save me. I need your love before I fall. I need to do a BTS reference in every video. Okay, that's my life goal. Alright, let's get started here. I'm excited. I do have this Arctic Fox orange hair color, not spawns. I've never tried this, so I don't know how good it is. And actually, this isn't the orange I want. This looks more like a peachy orange. I want a bright, neon, extreme orange. So maybe if I'll just mix some more red and yellow in there, maybe... I don't know. I think I'm gonna pour this in here. This hair color smells so intense, wow. Ooh. Ooh. It's not what I want. So I have this yellow and have this pink dark kind of red. It's more like a burgundy, I think. It's not even red. This is my very professional setup right here. I feel like that's not gonna be enough for my whole head, so I'm gonna put in some conditioner to make it a little bit more yummy. Gonna take a little bit of that red and this yellow. Yes, beach. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, you guys, this is the final hair color I've mixed. Okay, before I put it on my hair, let me just change real quick. I'm sorry Musically, but you're dead anyway, so... The shade. I mean, Musically does not exist anymore, so... I guess it's no shade. What am I doing, by the way? I just can't get this over my head. Oh, I need to open up this. Oopsie. I didn't wash my hair, by the way, because I'm disgusting. And of course, again, I only have my super noisy gloves. Well, actually, very professional equipment. I have brushes. Unprofessional me is quaking. Vincent! Ooh! Ooh!
And this is how you want it.
I guess. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Done. Scheiße. Stop. Well, fuck brushes. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Wow, I love being professional. Wait, let me flip this over. 14-year-old Naomi is quaking. It's her worst nightmare. Halloween is back. I'm pumpkin Naomi. Pumpkomi. Pumpkomi? Carrot Naomi. Shaving off half of my head. Hair. Flip it over, bitch. I love being an ASMR queen.
Ja, und hier?
Du bist irgendwie wie so ein Lehrer, der so... Und was ist hier? Das ist schon noch vergessen. I can't see what I'm doing there! Paint with all the colors of the hair. That was my remix. At least you won't see the foundation in my hairline anymore. Sweet. I fucking hate doing it with brushes. Farbenspiel des
Spiel.
Vins. Vincent. This feels so wrong.
I'm stuck.
I don't really get what you're doing. I bet you could do amazing ASMR videos. I can't see anything and I don't want to see anything. I'm regretting everything right now. But at least it will make my face less orange because everyone's always commenting that my face looks orange. So that's what you get, guys. So my hairdresser said if there's still too much blue in there and I put orange on top, then it's just gonna neutralize and it's gonna turn blonde. I wanna quit! Oh, you're in frame! Hello!
Stop moving!
My hairdresser just sent me a voice memo.
Miss Pumpkin,
That's me.
ich wollte dir nur sagen, watch yourself. Überleg dir ganz genau, was du vorher tust, okay? Take your time.
He's gonna hate me. I'm gonna send him a pic.
I have nothing to do.
I love this.
Ich hab dir was.
I'm gonna do some ASMR while you do my head. Ooh, that is beautiful.
Now you just really don't give a fuck.
No, I don't. What else can happen?
It can look ugly,
Horrendous?
atrocious,
Bambocious?
ferocious,
Illicomocious?
rigadocious.
Did I help?
Just stop talking.
I'm sorry for my gloves. For my hand shoes. You guys, in Germany we call gloves hand shoes. But like,
Literally.
literally, glitterily. Glitterally everything.
Oh my god, that was so cringe.
You motivate me, well it's my baby. Ja, guck mal, was ist denn das hier für eine Scheiße? Oh, I'm getting so annoyed by my hair. In the club, boy, I forget not. I'm thinking about all of my life choices right now. Why did I eat that piece of chocolate 2 weeks ago? Am I done? Am I?
What a great pixie cut.
I'm gonna be a mess.
I don't even know what.
What is your purpose? I'm doing the Jenna Marbles technique, just slapping it all in there. Nimm's mal raus. Insane. Yeah, I'm gonna let this soak in for like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes and then I'll be back for my funeral. In the arms of an angel, fly away. Then I'm gonna blow dry it and I'll be right back with the finished result.
Yeah.
I guess that's the finished look.
You're so orange.
Good observation. Well, my roots ended up being the color I actually wanted on my whole head. I think this is as orange as we're gonna get with blue leftover hair color in there. I'm gonna film a beautiful orange hair intro for you guys. Would it? Alright, you guys, I guess this is the finished result. How many broccolis are you gonna give my hair color?
6 or 8.
6 is not good. Oh my god. This is definitely a change. Pumpkomi. Well, I want to know how you like this hair color on me, but don't be too mean, please. Tell me how many broccoli you would give this hair color. I think I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 broccoli. And I think Vincent too. Oh man. Oh manly man, manly man. Calm down.
You've done a great job.
Thanks. thanks. So I guess that wraps up my dyeing my hair neon bright orange video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram,
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat,
and the Naomijon on Twitter. Vincent, let's take YouTube videos together. YouTube pics. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Pumpkin Naomi out. Pumpcomi. I hate this name. Bye. Fly away from here. Ew.